Welcome, here I've got LG Wing and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The leveler here is only available in the manual mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the manual camera. And here we are, this is kind of pro mode. Don't be scared about all of these settings, because you can use this also on the auto. I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. Now let's stay like that and let's move to the left corner to this button. When we tap here we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the pro mode we have extra thing here in the white. By tapping on this button and tapping here we can decide if we want to have the leveler or grid lines. Now let's pick the level as it is and let's go back to the camera preview to see it. As you can see we have these signs and this is our leveler. This is useful for example when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works here. And to go back from the manual camera to the standard one, we have to just tap on X letter here, and now we are again on the photo. As you can see, the leveler here is not available. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.